What's up guys, this is Shan Heather, and in this video we are going to do a benchmarking test comparison between Nokia 7.2, Realme 5 Pro and Huawei Y9s smartphones. These are the mid-range smartphones from their respective brand. Nokia 7.2 comes with Snapdragon 660 processor along with 4GB RAM and 128GB storage. Realme 5 Pro comes with Snapdragon 712 processor, 8GB RAM, 128GB storage, and Huawei Y9s comes with Kirin 710 processor, 6GB RAM and 128GB storage. All of these devices, they got Full HD Plus screen and they're running on Android 9. So let's start our benchmarking test and let's see how much all of these hardware specs are going to contribute in the benchmarking test score results. So let's start it. So the benchmarking applications we got today here, they are Antutu benchmarking, Geekbench 5 and 3D Mark. We have already performed all of these tests and we are just going to have a quick look on the test score results. So let's start with the Antutu benchmarking. So Nokia 7.2 scored 180,588, Realme 5 Pro scored 219,846 and Huawei Y9s scored 183,848. So Realme 5 Pro is the winner. Second spot is occupied by Huawei Y9s and at the third spot it's Nokia 7.2. If you go to the individual test score result, here you can compare the CPU, GPU, memory and UX score. So somehow in CPU performance of Nokia 7.2 is better, after that it's Realme 5 Pro and then Huawei Y9s. When it comes to GPU, the winner is Realme 5 Pro, after that Nokia 7.2 and then Huawei Y9s. In memory, performance of Huawei Y9s is the best, after that Realme 5 Pro and then Nokia 7.2. And when it comes to UX, then once again at the first spot it's Realme 5 Pro and then Huawei Y9s, and at the third position it's Nokia 7.2. But our main concern is the overall score, and in that the winner is Realme 5 Pro, then Huawei Y9s and then Nokia 7.2. Let's go back from here and now let's have a look on 3D Mark. It's a gaming benchmarking test. It is divided in multiple parts. So we got Slingshot and Slingshot Extreme, and once again Slingshot Extreme is divided in OpenGL and Vulkan. So talking about the Slingshot, Nokia 7.2 scored 2049, Realme 5 Pro scored 2982 and Huawei Y9s scored 1159. So first spot, second spot, third spot. Talking about the Slingshot Extreme OpenGL, Nokia 7.2 scored 1352 and in Vulkan 1300. Realme 5 Pro scored 2066 in Slingshot Extreme OpenGL and in Vulkan it scored 1995, and Huawei Y9s scored 870 in Slingshot Extreme OpenGL and in Vulkan 939. So in all of these two tests of Slingshot Extreme, first position is occupied by Realme 5 Pro, then Nokia 7.2 and then Huawei Y9s, and this is the same scenario for Slingshot as well. So in this test, Realme 5 Pro is at the first position, Nokia 7.2 is at the second position and Huawei Y9s is at the third position. Let's go back and let's have a look on the last test, that's Geekbench 5, and this is also divided in two parts. So first of all, let's have a look on the CPU test score result. So Nokia 7.2 scored 338 in single core and 1491 in multi-core. Realme 5 Pro scored 320 in single core, 1470 in multi-core, and Huawei Y9s scored 322 in single core and 1349 in multi-core. So in single core, Nokia 7.2 is the winner and then Huawei Y9s, and at the third position it's Realme 5 Pro. Talking about the multi-core, once again Nokia 7.2 is the winner. This time at the second spot it's Realme 5 Pro and at the third spot it's Huawei Y9s. Let's go back from here and let's have a look on the compute test result. So the winner is Huawei Y9s. It is scored 979. Realme 5 Pro is at the second position. It is scored 948, and Nokia 7.2 is scored 621. So these are the benchmarking test score result, and as you can see that Realme 5 Pro is performing better compared to these two other smartphones because it got the best hardware specs. It got the better Qualcomm Snapdragon processor, better GPU as well. The amount of RAM is most in Realme 5 Pro, and because of that it is scoring slightly above compared to Nokia 7.2 and Huawei Y9s in this benchmarking test. Especially when it comes to GPU performance and the gaming capability, Realme 5 Pro is going to perform better compared to Nokia 7.2 and Huawei Y9s in real life scenario as well. So that's all for now friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed this, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. And I'll see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.